ACW wanted to know, do you have Bret Hart? He also asked about Jeff Hardy, but I did a video on Jeff Hardy not too long ago, so we are sticking with just Bret Hart on this one. And I do have Bret Hart. I got the Bret Hart with the 2-pack with Goldberg, and that Bret Hart, which was part of the line that also came with Anvil. And then Series 90 or something like that, somewhere in that area, the King of the Ring. The Chase version. And is that a SummerSlam or Survivor Series? I don't even know. I don't know. And then we got this one. He's sitting down. He's just taking a little rest. He's old, Bret Hart. Is there anybody else you guys want to see? If there is, leave it in the comments, and I'll make a video if I haven't already done so. And hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.